uMntwana uMbongiseni Zulu ubesondelene kakhulu nesilo uMiss uZulu. Ukubulawa kwakhe kuze emuva kokudluliselwa esilweni ngokusemthethweni isitifiketi sombuso waso ngenyanga edlule. Kuthiwa uMntwana ubehamba nomunye umlisa ngenkathi behlaselwa. Lesi isigameko silandela ukubulawa kaDokotela uDumsani Khumalo ngoSeptember obengumeluleki weNgonyama.
It is one incident after the other where we see the killing of the people who are close with the king. There must be stability now.
Amaphoyisa athi imbangela yokuhlaselwa kwabo ayikaziwa.
Police at Nongoma are investigating 2 counts of murder following an incident that took place at approximately 6 o'clock last night. It is alleged that 2 men, one aged 63 and the other aged 33, were in the area to visit relatives. As they were about to leave, they were attacked by unknown individuals who opened fire on them. Both the men sustained multiple gunshot injuries. One of them passed away in the scene, and the other was taken to a local clinic where he passed away.
eNdlunkulu KwaZulu Natal uNomusa Dube Ncube unxusa amaphoyisa ukuthi asheshe ayibophe igilamkhuba. Wanxusa nezakhamuzi esifundazwe ukuthi zingaxatshaniswa ilezi gameko zokubulala kwabantu abasondele eNdlunkulu. Bongani Gema indaba ze SABC eThekwini.